In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an image to your GitHub README file. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, having images in your README can significantly enhance the presentation and clarity of your project. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your repository on github.com. Once you've located your project, find the readme.md file. This is the file you'll be editing to add your image. Click on it to open the README file. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a little pencil icon. This is your Edit This File button. Click on it, and it will open up the web editor for your README file. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, decide where within the text you want your image to appear. Click into the text area to place your cursor there. This is important because wherever you place the cursor, that's where your image will be inserted. Now, let's add the image. If you have the image file saved on your computer, simply drag and drop it from your file manager into the text editor window. It's as easy as that. Alternatively, if you have an image copied to your clipboard, you can press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac to paste it directly into the editor. As soon as you drop or paste your image, GitHub will automatically upload it to its secure asset servers. You'll notice that it generates a text string for your image. This string looks something like this: exclamation mark, open bracket, image description, close bracket, open parenthesis, and then a URL. This URL points directly to where your image is stored on GitHub's servers. Once you've got your image in place, it's time to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see a field that prompts you to write a brief commit message. This message should describe the changes you've made, such as added an image to the README. This step is crucial as it helps keep track of the changes made to your project over time. After writing your commit message, simply click the Commit Changes button. This action will save the changes you've made to your README file and make it live for everyone to see. And there you have it. You now know how to add an image to your GitHub README. This simple addition can greatly improve the readability and visual appeal of your project documentation, making it easier for others to understand and appreciate your work. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.